The north-facing site is in Hospet, Karnataka. We conceptualized the home as a series of volumes coalesced together. To achieve this fluidity in the space, we looked at an animated section that varies along the length of the home. The varying roof profiles of the house create a play of volumes and spaces in the interior, making it a sensory experience. Given the harsh climate in Hospet, the plan was configured to block the sun in the west and the south while the home opens towards the garden in the north and the east. Here's a look at the plan. The traditional open-to-sky courtyard has been reinterpreted as a landscape platform with an operable skylight. The motorized glazing in the skylight can be opened to allow hot air to escape during the day. The muted finishes in the interiors drape the architectural shell, accentuate the geometry, and render warmth to the space. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. HDI home design ideas, we'd appreciate it.